Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanaya, known as Modest Guru, and today we are creating this fun sunset sultry makeup look. Using e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer, I apply this primer with my fingers all over my face, and I just absolutely love how smooth and how quick my pores are just, minimized. Now going in with M.A.C Layin Low Pro Longwear Paintpot Concealer. I apply this all over my eyelids. This is for the base of my eyeshadow. I found this amazing palette at TJ Maxx. This is BH Cosmetics collaboration with Sylvia. She's a YouTuber as well, an influencer. Absolutely love these colors. Starting with the shade S Club, I apply this to my crease. I love this transition shade, and just so you all know, a transition color is a shade that is closest to your skin tone, but it could be a little bit warmer, just to create that shadow that you'll need when creating certain looks. And to apply depth to this eyeshadow, I'm going in with the shade October. This truly just warms up my crease. So I take a fluffy brush. This brush is by Morphe, and I buff it on out. Now doing the same thing on the other side. I really just blend this color out. Now going in with the shade Ginger. This is a more of a pastel orange color. I'm going to apply this right below my crease, where I plan to start to apply my cut crease. So right above where my cut crease would start. Now using e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is a satin finish concealer. I'm going to go ahead and carve out my cut crease. This is needed anytime you are doing more of an ombre color, or if you're trying to apply a different eyeshadow, but if you want to create a certain look and apply more depth. We're just going to go ahead and carve that out so that we can apply a base color. Now using the shade Channel, this is a more of a pastel, I would say yellow. I just love this color as a base. So I'm going to apply that in my cut crease, or on my cut crease. Using the color Goddess, this shade is beautiful. This is a very bright gold color. And I mean, it just applies so well on a brush. And so I'm going to apply that right on top of my cut crease. This is the shade that will make this look definitely pop. Going back in with Ginger to, reapply that color. I need it to pop, intensify right above my pop of color. We're just going to blend that on out. And as you are watching this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love your support. And also, I can't wait to create more. Now, the same shades that I used start this look, I'm going to apply it on my bottom lash line. Okay, now for this look, I'm using Prince. This is pretty much a whitish gold eyeshadow. One of my favorite foundations. Now off of the eyes onto one of my favorite foundations, I'm using Fenty Beauty Hydration Foundation. I'm just going to apply and blend this all over my face with a brush. I love how airbrush my foundations look anytime I use a brush instead of a beauty blender. So yes, we're going to blend that evenly. We're using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. I am in the shade 310. And to contour, I'm using Black Radiance Cream Foundation. This is in the shade Coco Bean. And to blend that out, I'm going to use a combination of Mario Banduska, their Cucumber Facial Spray, Just love how good and, you know, wonderful this mist feel. I'm taking that and spraying it onto my beauty blender. This just a damp sponge typically helps me blend out any cream, concealers, or foundations that I'm using. And I'm just going to apply a little bit more concealer up under my eye. I want it to be quite a bright look since the eyeshadow is definitely popping. So yes, we're just going to blend it out. I usually take the bottom of let's say the butt of the beauty blender, and I just pounce that all out to blend it into my foundation. Okay, and one of my favorite translucent powders, I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder. Absolutely love how fine this translucent powder is and how it doesn't really crease at all. I have never had issues with this creasing. And then I'm just going to clean up this look by reapplying the under eye eyeshadow, just using a combination of the two colors I use. Crease of my eye, which is S Club in October. And then I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and blend this out. Okay, and to contour, to set my contour, my cream contour, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. This is their powder contour kit in the shade medium to dark. And I just take the top middle color. I just feel like it, you know, always fits my skin tone and warms it up. And I'm just going to apply that with a contour brush. And then now taking off my powder, I mean, it's been quite a while, so we don't want it to start creasing or causing any issues with dry skin. I'm going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush and just dust off the excess setting powder and making sure I apply it all over my face. Now for my lashes, I'm going to make sure those are fixed. And one of my favorite lip liners at the moment is the KKW lip liner. This is in the shade 2.1. I'm going to outline my lips. And then I added a nude color and some gloss. And that's pretty much it for this look. I absolutely love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this look. We want to make sure everyone is able to create this fun makeup look for the summer. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.